It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Tuesday, the 14th of July. I'm Michael Groff. Heat levels remaining elevated, but gradually lowering as we head through the week and into the weekend. Monsoon moisture will be slowly increasing across Arizona, leading to daily chances of showers and storms over the high country. Eventually, we could start to talk about some rain chances finally getting into the valley. Let's talk about it first. Yesterday, yes, we managed to make it up to 114 degrees for our afternoon high. That tied the record for the date. The morning low, 93, another record warm morning low temperature. The normal high, 107, the normal low, 84. And our rainfall surplus that we've had since March, that's just about gone. And we'll start to get into the deficit here until we see some rain in here, hopefully by the weekend or next week. And outside now, here at this ridiculously early hour of 5 a.m., we've got partly cloudy skies in the valley, and it's still hot out there. 91 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 56, relative humidity 30%, the winds are light, and the barometer is rising. Temperatures around the area this morning, not quite as hot as we've seen in recent mornings, but still really toasty. 81 is the cool spot up at the nearly 4,000-foot level of Thompson Peak. There's an 84 at Goldfield, 86 in Buckeye, 89 in Arcadia and Avondale, 94 in Litchfield. Here's the upper air look. The main belt of westerlies remains to the north of Arizona, but a trough passing across the Rockies and out into the Plain States has helped to flatten out our ridge just a little bit. So high temperatures will be coming down over the next few days, although remaining pretty close to average, which for July is quite hot. Here's the watch warning map. Our excessive heat warning is gone, but we still have a number of heat advisories and excessive heat warnings for the Plain States, along the Gulf Coast as well, and parts of the West, and fire danger remains a concern also. Convective outlook for today, the risk of severe storms as usual out across the plains and into the upper Midwest, the standard slight risk for places like Des Moines and Cedar Rapids, Iowa, Rochester, Minnesota, and up into parts of Wisconsin and the western Great Lakes states, another marginal risk over portions of New England. Precipitation for the next 7 days from the WPC, not showing any rain here in Phoenix, with rainfall totals 1/4 to 1/2 inch for the eastern mountains and southeast Arizona along the international border as well. But things looking a little bit more optimistic as we look at modeling. Here we go to the GFS, the 06Z run valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. High pressure to the south and east, a southwesterly flow aloft, which means somewhat drier air will be coming in here. So, down at the surface today, some clouds around this morning, then will become mostly sunny. Highs 107 to 110, so not quite as hot as we've been in recent days. Tonight, the skies are mostly clear, but it's still going to be toasty overnight. Lows in the 80s to near 90. And then tomorrow, mostly sunny skies. Dry air continues here in south central Arizona, and isolated thunderstorms still possible over the higher terrain of northern and eastern Arizona, though. Highs once again 107 to 111. All right, here's Thursday, and we're going to start to see our ridge very slowly reestablishing itself over the southwest, somewhere around the Four Corners. And as it does, more of a southerly to southeasterly flow will develop here, bringing in some moisture gradually into the state. Widely scattered thunderstorms over the mountains, partly cloudy skies here in Phoenix on Thursday. Highs still just shy of 110, probably 106 to 109. As we go to Friday, a little bit more moisture shown to be moving into Arizona. The GFS actually being pretty aggressive with deeper monsoon moisture coming in here. Scattered showers and thunderstorms over the mountains and even trying to bring some storms into the deserts. Now, our chance of rain in Phoenix on Friday is not zero technically, but I'm not putting it in the forecast just yet, waiting for a little bit more run-to-run consistency. And as we get closer to Friday, we'll see if any disturbances or any easterly waves are out there and what may impact us. But for now, just know that the skies will be partly cloudy, high temperatures somewhere between about 105 and 108. Now, as we go to the weekend, moisture continues to increase. Scattered showers and thunderstorms over the mountains. A few storms try to get into the deserts. Again, I've kept the forecast for the weekend here dry-ish, with rain chances under 10%, but know that, again, some blowing dust could get into the valley either Saturday or Sunday evening, maybe even an isolated thunderstorm someplace. And high temperatures lowering a bit further. The humidity levels will be gradually increasing, though. Highs between 103 and 107 both days. Here we go to Monday and indications of a stronger easterly wave or inverted trough moving into Arizona. Now, the timing on these features this far out can't really pin that down. But the idea of better monsoon moisture coming in here, and we've had several days now of increased moisture, so finally we're going to start to introduce the chance of afternoon and evening showers and storms here in the deserts, with scattered, maybe even numerous showers and thunderstorms over the mountains during the afternoon and evening hours, and high temperatures right around or maybe even a degree below normal, somewhere between about 102 and 106. Here's a week from today. This is Tuesday the 21st. Monsoon ridge here over the southwest, kind of a southeast flow aloft, and we can't time specifically any of those easterly waves or inverted troughs that I've mentioned, but those will be around as well to give occasional enhancements of showers and thunderstorms across the area, so daily chances will continue. And going out 10 days to the end of the period, this is Thursday the 23rd. And again, it's the typical monsoon forecast. Scattered afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms look to be the rule, with temperatures pretty close to average. All right, let's check out some of the ensemble guidance for precipitation here first. Here's the GFS ensemble, 21 members, and the ensemble mean getting pretty close to 0.2 of an inch. Most of the members trying to bring in some measurable rain in here. The European ensemble, the control member here is up around an inch of rain over the next couple of weeks. That's interesting. But the ensemble mean is around 0.4 of an inch. And again, a vast majority of members seem to indicate that we'll see some precipitation in here. So looking more optimistic. And to further this point, here's the CPC outlook for the period of July 19th through the 23rd, with average or above average chances of precipitation here across much of Arizona. And so again, encouraging signs that our monsoon is really going to get cranked up here over the next several days and certainly by the weekend and next week. Temperatures off the national blend of models, it's got us at 110 today, 109 tomorrow, 111 on Thursday. But you do see gradually we'll lower those temperatures as we head into the weekend. And likely, one of these days, if we really get a good monsoon event, certainly could be quite a bit lower than what's shown here. All right, that'll do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever we post a brand new video, you'll be alerted. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. I thank you so much for watching. Be safe out there, stay cool, drink plenty of water, watch your kids around the swimming pool, and you guys have yourselves a fantastic Tuesday.